Our journey begins with the flower of life, a symbol revered across cultures and epochs. This intricate pattern, composed of overlapping circles, is believed to represent the fundamental forms of space and time, the very building blocks of creation. Visualize this sacred symbol as a portal, a gateway to the infinite potential that dwells within you. As you gaze upon its intricate design, allow your mind to quiet, your breath to soften, and your awareness to expand. Feel the subtle energy emanating from the flower of life, a gentle vibration that resonates deep within your being. Find a comfortable seated position, allowing your spine to lengthen and your shoulders to relax. Close your eyes gently, softening your gaze inward. Visualize the flower of life before you, its radiant geometry shimmering with a golden light. Breathe deeply, inhaling this light, allowing it to fill your entire being. As you inhale, repeat silently to yourself the affirmation, "I am connected to the infinite source of abundance." Feel the truth of these words resonating within your heart, your mind, and every cell of your body. With each exhale, release any tension, any doubt, any limiting beliefs that may be blocking the flow of abundance in your life. As you meditate on the flower of life, visualize its energy expanding outward from your heart center, creating a radiant sphere of golden light around you. Embrace the power of the flower of life meditation and witness the transformative energy of sacred geometry unfold in your life. Our next technique invites you to step into the realm of creation, to become an active participant in shaping your financial reality. The Sacred Geometry Vision Board is a powerful tool that combines the principles of intention, visualization, and the potent energy of sacred symbols to manifest your deepest desires. Think of a vision board as a blueprint for your future, a tangible representation of your goals and aspirations. By carefully curating images and words that resonate with your vision of abundance, you create a powerful energetic magnet drawing those desires into your life. Begin by gathering materials that inspire you: magazines, photographs, printed images, colorful paper, and art supplies. As you search for images, let your intuition guide you. Look for pictures that evoke feelings of joy, abundance, and financial freedom. Now, introduce the element of sacred geometry. Incorporate images of sacred symbols that resonate with wealth and prosperity. The Shri Yantra, with its intricate web of triangles, is believed to attract wealth and abundance. Arrange these images on your board in a way that is visually appealing and personally meaningful. As you work, infuse each image with your intention, your heartfelt desire to attract abundance into your life. Once your board is complete, find a prominent place in your home or workspace where you can see it daily. Take a few moments each day to gaze upon your vision board, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the feelings of already having achieved your goals. Embrace the creative process, infuse your vision board with positive energy, and watch as the universe conspires to bring your dreams into reality. The Merkabah Activation. Our journey into the realm of sacred geometry and abundance now takes us to the Merkabah, a profound symbol of light, energy, and spiritual transformation. The word Merkabah originates from ancient Hebrew and is often translated as chariot or vehicle of light. In various mystical traditions, the Merkabah is seen as a powerful energy field that surrounds the human body, a vehicle for ascension and spiritual awakening. Imagine two interlocking tetrahedrons, one pointing upwards towards the heavens, the other pointing downwards towards the earth. This three-dimensional star, spinning at a high velocity, creates a powerful vortex of energy, a field of light that connects us to the divine. The Merkabah Activation is a powerful technique for raising our vibrational frequency, for aligning ourselves with the cosmic flow of abundance. Find a comfortable, seated position, allowing your spine to lengthen and your shoulders to relax. Close your eyes gently, softening your gaze inward. Take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to become fully present in this moment. Now, visualize a brilliant white light above your head, a source of pure divine energy. As you inhale, draw this light down through the crown of your head, allowing it to fill your entire being. As you exhale, visualize this light expanding outward from your heart center, forming the shape of a tetrahedron pointing upwards. Next, visualize another tetrahedron forming below you, pointing downwards towards the earth. As you inhale, draw this grounding energy up through the soles of your feet, allowing it to flow upwards through your body. Now, visualize both tetrahedrons spinning, one clockwise, the other counterclockwise, creating a powerful vortex of energy around you. This is your Merkabah, your chariot of light, activated and ready to propel you towards your highest potential. As your Merkabah spins, chant the sacred syllable Om, or any other mantra or affirmation that resonates with you. By regularly engaging in this practice, you raise your vibrational frequency, attracting abundance and prosperity into your life. Now let's explore using the seed of life for manifestation. Our exploration of sacred geometry and its power to attract abundance now leads us to the seed of life, a symbol of creation, potential, and the interconnectedness of all things. Often considered the blueprint for the flower of life, the seed of life is believed to contain the very essence of creation, the spark from which all life emerges. Imagine 7 overlapping circles, perfectly arranged to form a beautiful symmetrical pattern. Each circle represents a day of creation, a step in the unfolding of the universe. Within this seemingly simple design lies profound wisdom, a blueprint for manifestation and abundance. One powerful technique for harnessing the energy of the seed of life is to incorporate it into our sleep cycle, a time when our subconscious mind is most receptive to suggestion. Before retiring for the night, find a quiet space where you can relax and unwind. Dim the lights, light a candle if you wish, and hold an image of the seed of life in your hands. Gaze upon its perfect geometry, allowing its energy to soothe your mind and relax your body. As you breathe deeply, visualize the seed of life expanding and contracting with each breath, a gentle rhythm of creation and abundance. Now bring to mind a specific desire you wish to manifest. It could be financial abundance, a new career opportunity, a loving relationship, or anything else your heart desires. Formulate your desire as a clear and concise statement, written in the present tense, as if it has already come to pass. Write your affirmation on a piece of paper and place it beneath the seed of life image. Make this practice a regular part of your bedtime routine and witness the transformative power of the seed of life unfold in your life. Let's examine sacred geometry crystal grids, combining ancient symbols with the potent energy of crystals. Crystal grids, used for centuries, amplify intention and manifestation. Crystals interact with subtle energy fields, enhancing their properties. Sacred geometry amplifies their energy, attracting abundance and prosperity. Select crystals known for abundance, like citrine and pyrite. Citrine attracts wealth and success. Pyrite is associated with prosperity and good luck. Green aventurine attracts luck and growth. Cleanse your crystals. Choose a sacred geometry pattern. The flower of life is excellent for attracting abundance. Place crystals on the pattern, infusing them with intention. Visualize your desired outcome. Activate your grid by tracing the pattern. State your intention aloud. Place your grid in a prominent location. Embrace the transformative energy of sacred geometry crystal grids. As we conclude our journey into the realm of sacred geometry and abundance, remember that the universe is infinitely abundant, always ready to provide for your every need. By incorporating these 5 powerful techniques into your daily life, the Flower of Life meditation, the Sacred Geometry Vision Board, the Merkabah Activation, the Seed of Life for Manifestation, and Sacred Geometry. Crystal grids, you align yourself with the cosmic flow of prosperity, inviting boundless wealth and fulfillment into your experience. Trust in the wisdom of the ancients, embrace the power of these sacred symbols, and watch as your financial reality transforms. The universe is listening, and it is always conspiring to support you in achieving your dreams. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the heart of abundance. May the blessings of prosperity, joy, and fulfillment be yours always. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to Love Life Vibrations for more insights into manifesting your dreams. Until next time, embrace the power of sacred geometry and attract the abundance you deserve.